Hi everyone. Hope you are having a good time. This is a new routine for us, but I thought we should utilize in a positive manner. Okay. So today I thought I'll share some little bit of artwork I'm doing with my son Mukund. It's very simple. It will keep the children occupied for 5 to 10 minutes. This I have tried with Mukund, and this is a sample of what I have did. And this is very simple. So I'll just tell you what all we need to make this. Okay, I have taken a black chart paper, but you can use any color paper, any white paper or whatever paper available at home. The size you can use. And then simple watercolor paint. This you get it for 10 rupees in any shop. So primary colors. And this is mainly done without using a brush. That is what is interesting. So I have taken 3 earbuds, and what you have to do is just tie these earbuds with a rubber band. So just try tying this with a rubber band so that it holds it together. So children will be, fascinated by this. And they won't have to bother about holding the paintbrush or anything. So this is the thing they can use to do this painting. And now I have kept red color. I've taken some paint and put 2-3 drops of water in it. It's little bit diluted. And I've taken yellow color also. Now we'll start. So what you can do is just make the child take this earbud, dip it in red paint, whichever color, and then just do like this. If you feel the paint is a bit dry, you can just dip it in little water and just stamp it like this. It's very easy, and they can do it anywhere they like. Just top of the page, anywhere they like this. Okay, it doesn't matter if they are going top or if they come little down, doesn't matter. So if paint is little dry, again dip it in little water and again dip it in paint and do like this. So this is, they will enjoy doing this. And if you feel you have done this part, you can just turn it, dip a little in water, dip it in yellow paint and do over this. And please note, don't guide them where they have to do. Let them do it anywhere they like. It can be on the red, it can overlap, that doesn't matter. Some may do it slowly, some may do it very fast. That's okay. Mukund does it very fast. He just wants to finish it and run, so he'll do it very fast. And now you can use both the colors so that it gives an orange shade. And one more thing I do is when I do it with Mukund, sometimes I sing a song which both of us like. so that will go along with what he's doing. See, now it is somewhat done. Somewhat done, the leaves part. Now you just keep this here. Take one more set of 3 earbuds. Tie it with another rubber band. You can take a bit of green, directly dip it. You don't need much of it, only a little bit of green. And you just can draw the trunk. Children can draw it. You just have to show them once. See, like this, whichever way. Maybe a little bit of yellow over that, here and there. A bit of red. It gives a kind of brown trunk color. So that's it. It's in a very simple way, but if you spend a little more time, you can do it a little more neatly. So now you can explain to them, this is in autumn, all the green leaves will turn color into orange and yellow. And finally, those leaves will fall down. So you can show the leaves which have fallen down. And then new green leaves will come. So this is a typical autumn season. So these are some of the leaves, dried leaves, after changing the color, which have fallen down. So this is it. That's it. Hardly took 4 to 5 minutes. So this is the final painting. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please try it with your children. I'm sure they'll love it. Thank you.